So I know some of you are kind of burned out on all this open AI, Dolly image generation thing you've been seeing in the news. But I do want to talk about this because I think this is actually really important, especially for my icon generator application. The new Dalle-3 is actually accessible with Microsoft's Bing image creation tool. So if you go to bing.com/create, I do believe they're using Dalle-3. If you zoom in here, it says Dalle-3 right here. And I wanted to kind of walk you through why this is important to kind of just at least know about and how this actually affects me and my little side project. Because here are the images that I've been generating. As you can tell, I mean, they don't look too bad, but they also don't look too great. This was a doodle type of drawing, so an angry chicken doodle. But I'm going to walk you through the differences between using Dalle-2 API for generating images versus what the Dalle-3 is capable of doing. Okay, so let's just go ahead and make a quick icon here. I'm going to say, let's just go ahead and say like a happy strawberry. Maybe even put like smiling strawberry. Okay, and we're going to go down here. We're going to select red. And we're also going to select, let's do realistic. Or let's do sticker here. We'll do sticker. And I'll say generate me 4 of these. Okay, so this is using the Dalle-2 API behind the scenes. This is my own little side project, icon generator, AI.com. Go check it out if you want to play around with generating stickers or icons or whatever. But what I'm going to do is, as this is generating, let's go and look at my code real quick, because I want to enter the exact same prompt to Dalle-3. I don't remember how this code works. Okay, so here it is. We have, those are decent looking strawberries. They look pretty happy. They have a smiling face, so it works pretty good. Go ahead and just put that prompt in here. I think we said colorized in red. And then what we're also going to do is we're going to put a style here. So I did the sticker one. So if I go to my style template, where's that? Let's go here. I think I have a sticker. Here's my secret sauce prompts that I've been using to generate nicely looking images. Let's just go ahead and paste that in with dark background, I think is what I'm doing. All right, so we have the prompt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in this exact same prompt into Dalle-3 that's on the Bing image crate. Let's just go ahead and see what happens. Cool. So here are some images of those. Maybe we can get this going side by side. So on the left, we have Dalle-3, and on the right, we have Dalle-2. So off the bat, I mean, the prompt says an app icon. Okay, so if you were to compare these on the left to the ones on the right, it's obvious that Dalle-3 is much smarter at understanding what an app icon is. Like, these actually look like iPhone icons, and they look pretty slick. They also look a little bit more professional. If you look over here on the right, these look kind of goofy. I mean, they're not bad, but they're not like, they don't look like app icons. They look like just random stickers that you could print out and like put on your car or something. But these actually look like app icons. And this one looks really nice as well. So that's the difference with the strawberry prompt. And again, there's always nuances to how you generate these prompts in the prompt engineering. All right, let's just do one more set because I want to kind of just test the system. I'll say an angry chicken. We're going to make it blue. And we'll try, let's do polygon this time. Let's see how polygon works. Let's go ahead and generate those. And while that's generating, I'm going to go ahead and figure out what are the constants for polygon. Okay, it looks like this. Here's my special little prompt. I'm going to go ahead and say remove. This will be colorized in blue. And go ahead and overwrite all this. And I'll say an app icon of an angry chicken. Okay, so let's try this in Dolly. Let's hopefully check that out. All right, so let's compare the results. Dalle-3 on the left, we have the same exact prompt versus my application. Now, I will say the one on the right does look 3D. The one on the left looks more like an app icon with polygon type of look and feel to it. Again, I think the one on the left is what I'd personally be going for an app icon generator application. The one on the right just looks kind of basic. So overall, my thoughts are like, this is actually a huge improvement. You can tell visibly really quick that the results on the left just look a lot better, a lot cleaner, a lot more professional than the results on the right. And I'm excited for whenever they make this API public, so I can just basically hook in to Dalle-3 and start using that as the default. Maybe in my application, I can have a drop down that people can opt into using Dalle-3 because they might have different pricing models. They might have different structures of how stuff works. So I might have to actually have two different like flows for like, do you want high quality icons or the cheaper, low quality icons? But yeah, I guess I'd be curious. What do you all think about Dalle-3? I know a lot of people watch my channel. They're kind of over this whole AI thing, but overall, this is becoming extremely good at generating art and just gets better and better with like very little time. And I don't think this is something you should sleep on. I think this is something that you should be actively keeping up to date with, especially OpenAI with, the text-based language models and the image art generation. Because let's be honest, this is actually like disrupting markets. I could hire someone to make this for me. It might take them a couple of days to make it. They'll get back to me. They might charge me 50, 100 bucks. Or I can do it in literally 30 seconds using Bing. And honestly, I don't even know what the purpose of my own service is. I built this for fun. People are still paying up to I'm getting like $1,000 revenue on this app icon service. But at this point, it's like, dude, just go to Bing, type in this prompt, get good at prompt engineering, and you can get professionally looking icons for free, right? They give you a bunch of free credits. But yeah, that's the state of Dalle-3. I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are too. I'm curious about hearing your thoughts. Leave a comment below if you have any thoughts about this. If you hate AI, leave a comment as well. Let the world know how much you hate AI. But I think it's cool to just kind of discuss this and learn about it. Other than that, I got a Discord channel in the description link below. You guys are welcome to join. Have a good day and happy coding.